Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and locating the cell that contains the hyperlink you want to rename. Once found, click the cell so Excel displays the link. Make sure editing is enabled and the sheet isn't protected. If the link lives in a formula, press F2 to edit in cell. If it's a standard hyperlink, right-click the cell. This gives you immediate access to the Edit Hyperlink command, which is the first actionable step to change the display text without altering the destination. You should now open the Edit Hyperlink dialog either by right-clicking and choosing Edit Hyperlink or by pressing Ctrl+K. In that dialog, focus on the Text to Display field. Replace the current text with the friendly name you want, while leaving the address field intact so the URL or file path remains unchanged. Once done, click OK. Then test the link by clicking it. This verifies the display text updated and the destination still works, which avoids breaking references in other sheets. Finish by saving the workbook and double-checking any dependent cells that reference the hyperlink. If the text reverted or links update unexpectedly, make sure Excel's automatic link updates and linked workbook settings aren't forcing changes. Once saved, use Find and Replace to rename repeated display texts or run a small VBA loop when you have dozens of links. If something goes wrong, check for workbook protection, external link management, or formulas using hyperlink that override display text. Fix those and retry the Edit Hyperlink step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.